Ever wish you could send proposals faster while not being copy pasted? That way you could send more proposals in less time and use that extra time to either promote your business outside Upwork or even just to work with clients, because that's what we're here to do, right? Well, you came to the right place. This is the ultimate 5-minute proposal. So I don't want to waste our time with intros. I'm Sylvia, your freelancer. Now let's get on to the video. So let's go minute by minute on this. So in minute 1, you really want to read the job post. And when I say you really want to read it, is because I know a lot of freelancers barely glance through it. So let's actually find a job that we can use as an example. All right, I found one that I actually want to save for later because it seems quite juicy. But basically here, I would read it once, read it twice, and really try to understand where the client is at and how you can help them. So here the client says, opening a new healthcare related YouTube and TikTok channel, which I would love a partner, ideally an agency. So maybe if you're not an agency or you're just starting out, maybe you wouldn't apply for this one. And they say they want someone to handle long form video editing, thumbnail creation, short form video editing on TikTok and YouTube. So maybe breaking up those longer videos into shorter videos, and marketing, SEO, keyword research. Ultimately, we just want to focus on content creation and have an all-encompassing agency that handles all outside of the content creation and scripting. Thank you. And moving right on to minute number 2, we also want to look at other things about the job post, not just what the client says about it. Here you can see the budget is quite fair for an expert level freelancer that they're looking at. They have 5 stars, but they only have 1 review, but 1 is better than nothing. They have payment verified, which is good. They also have just 1 job posted, which I'm assuming is this one, and they have a 100% hire rate. So they're likely to be one of those clients that will not ghost you. So all green flags for now, which we love to see. And then it says they sent $599 in total. They hired 3 people and 1 is still active. So out of those 3 people, only 1 left to review. If you scroll a little bit more down, you can see the client's history. So the job in progress they have is creating social media presence and SEO strategy for blog. So you can also get an understanding of other things that the client is working in and maybe other types of freelancers that you will eventually collaborate with. Because if I will edit a video for YouTube for this client and then they have someone working on their social media, maybe we can work together to repurpose some of the content. And then they have someone who did 30 Instagram social media images. They left a great feedback for the freelancer, but the freelancer didn't leave them a feedback, but maybe they just forgot. I'm guilty of that. And they also had someone create their blog website. And here is the best thing. I love to see this. They say the name of the client. So the client's name is Erez. And they're great to work with. They know what they want, have clear expectations. Just do your best for him and expect little to no revisions. A cool client indeed. Needless to say, I'm really gonna apply to this job. But moving on to minute number 3, I actually want to show you. So I'll have to restart this recording because it has to do with video. And please, before you exit out of this video, take a minute to watch. I promise you it's not that bad. Okay, so the actual reason why I wanted to record this separately is because I'm going to use the software that I use to record my videos to record a video for this client. So you can see right here is the draft of the video that you're watching right now. By the way, this is called the script. If you don't know, I'll leave a link down below, but it's great and it has a free plan. I believe you should be able to do this with a free plan. But basically you're going to come here and click on new, and then quick recording. And here it pops up with your camera, just like a Loom video or a VidAR video. So you're gonna wanna pick your camera. I'm using my phone as my camera. And you're gonna wanna pick up your microphone. And here you wanna say start recording, and then you can either drag to record part of your screen or press space to record full screen. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come back here to the job page. I'm gonna start recording. So let's see how this comes out. So I'm gonna press space, then it has a little countdown. Here is, my name is Sylvia, and I just came across your job post actually while recording a video about jobs on Upwork, which is very meta, but I was really drawn to it. It's full of things that I love. I love video. As you can probably tell, I'm recording a video right now, and I was recording a video before. And I love editing video, being creative, and I have a longer time experience with social media. I've been managing social media for my clients since 2015, so it's been over 8 years. And as for video editing, since 2012? So I'm well versed in what you need me to do, and I would love to help you out. I also love repurposing long-form videos to shorts and TikToks. I do that all the time. I can send you a link to my YouTube channel. I would send you my TikTok, but it's in Portuguese. But yeah, I would love to help you out. And I wouldn't call myself an agency, but I do partner with my husband. He edits some of my videos, and we do a little collab that way, so we can both work from home. So we'd love to help you out. We'd love to hear from you. Maybe see your website, see any socials that you have, any previous videos. Looking forward to hearing from you. All right, so I just stopped recording, and now it prompts me to whether or not I wanted to transcribe. Basically, it will transcribe everything I said in a video, and I'll be able to edit out anything that I don't want to keep in a video. The first thing I want to do is, it detected 5 filler words, so I'll just click remove. It's like the ums and everything like that. So I just click remove, and poof, they're gone. I usually just send it as it is, but for example, if I remember I made a mistake at a specific part, I can just come here, select this, and delete it, and it will delete it out of the video. But yeah, I'll just send it like this. You click publish and copy link. But let's move on to minute number 4. I'm actually going to go back to recording with the script, so see you in a second. Let's go back to Upwork, and let's click apply now. By the way, I'm thinking of doing a live next week, essentially just co-working and applying to jobs live with you guys, sharing my screen. So feel free to come over. I will probably post the date sometime this week. So keep an eye out. Also subscribe to the channel so you get notified when I schedule a live. And yeah, back to the proposal. So I'm going to copy the client's name and say, hey Raz, I just recorded a quick video message for you. Thought it was fitting for a video related job. You can watch it here. And I'm going to copy again the link. So I'm going to paste it here, and then what I want to do, I used to do just this, but then someone at Upwork, an Upwork coach, told me that sometimes clients, they may be just skimming through the first time around, and they may not want to, watch the video right away, especially because they don't know if it's a 1-minute video or a 10-minute video. So they recommended I do a little, TLDR. So that's what I'm going to do. Just summarize everything I said in a video, which this transcript will help me with, because I can just look at this and not have to listen to the video again. I have 8+ years of social media experience and 10+ years of video editing experience. I love repurposing long videos into short form and have a knack for good segments that would be interesting in that form. You can see this in action in my YouTube channel. Although I'm not a full agency, I do work side by side with my husband to create and edit content for both our pages and our client. I'll also say I'd love to see your websites and or any socials you have. Feel free to send over any questions you may have. Looking forward to hearing from you. Oh, almost forgot. Minute 5 is all about proofreading, so let's give it a final look, shall we? I could go through and proofread a video, but like I said, I don't feel like doing that. So let's just send it over, and that's done. Sounds easy? Well, that's because it is. And like everything in life, it gets easier the more you do it. While for now, you may need to double this for the first few tries and make it 10 minutes instead of 5. I truly believe that you can get to these 5 minutes in no time if you just drop the excuses and send, even if it's just one proposal per day for the next couple of weeks. Not only will you nail your proposal sending system, but you'll also have a higher chance of getting hired for one or even more jobs. And if you do end up sending a proposal using this strategy and you'd like me to review it, check out my proposal review series right here, and the link to submit your proposal to be reviewed in a future video is in each one of those videos description. So just watch them, click on the link, submit your proposal, and I'll review it. So yeah, that's it for today. Bye.